Hello, Acres. This is A to the R to the G to the I to the E, RJ. Hello, everyone. So this is Ellie.
Hello everyone, this is Chikai.
Hello, guys. So nami karon sa Boulevard kay mag
Mukbang!
atong budget 150. So here's our 150, guys. Saan naawat ang ating
150?
pesos? So here's our 150, guys. So palit na taron og atong makaon sa atong 150 bali sa atong 150 pesos. So, as a financial management student that who wants to eat and also wants to save money, we and my classmate combined our 50 pesos each.
So, asa mo abot ang atong 150 pesos?
We are going to rate these foods right now nga atong nabay sa atong 150 pesos. So, mo ni nabot sa atong 150 pesos, guys. So, ang amo ding napalit kay
So, ang among napalit guys is squid ball for 50 pesos, siomai for 20 pesos, and french fries for 30 pesos, and tempura for 50 pesos. And the total is,
150 pesos.
we will ask each other fast talk, different questions, random questions.
Just a random question, guys. So while we are eating, we are asking ourselves a random question.
So, sit back and relax. So, first is, I think this is the squid ball.
So first,
Squid ball.
kami sa
Squid
atong
ball.
unahon. So
It's like a lollipop.
Let's try to
Dip into the sauce.
put the sauce, guys. Oh my God. What's wrong with your sauce?
Unit.
What's your favorite thing to do in your free time? Okay, ikaw sa'yo na.
My favorite to do in my free time is to sleep.
Sleep lang. Okay.
Sleep lang jud kay our bodies
Needs
need
energy.
needs energy. Yes.
Yeah, so need to go na guys. How about you, RG? So, what's your favorite thing to do in your free time? So, or like after sa school, since sama tay kasong bakante, so magunsa man kaan na. So my favorite things to do when I have a free time is to band with my friends. Yes, so nice. How about you, Ali? Sorry. So guys, kung na ako yung free time, since ako na may isa sa ako ang boarding house, wala na, matulog lagog ko kaya nila na mag-rest. Agree, Dele.
Agree jud kailangan.
Agree ko siya, guys. So, we have to rest and needs energy. And of course, need po taog food. Kaya tama boy gulay food.
So,
Food is
good.
Food is life. Correct. Okay, pura. So let's proceed to the pura.
Tempura.
Ikaw na, ikaw na. So here's our second question. What is your favorite subject and why? Na chikay na.
That is very beautiful question. I think my favorite subject is ikaw sa
Si RJ Saguno. Sige RJ, what's your favorite kuan karon?
As of now, my favorite subject is contemporary world because it's all about globalization. And that's all. Thank you.
So as of now, ang akong favorite subject sa mo ang course is since wala pa man yung major, kuha na mong ganahan. Temporary world Japan kay talks money man good and how the world kana ganing run like inana jud. So ganahan ug kog about mga topic all about money ug unsa na siya gipadalagan in each country na ba. So it's about trading, investing o uban pa. So last, are you ready? Chikay na.
I would say my favorite subject is tanan man.
Tanan.
Yes.
Sabi mas ligit.
Igip. Tanan pod. Balance naman ko. I like all the subjects kay tanan man na kay masabta, na kay ma-learn.
Correct.
So proceed to another question, Alizer.
Third question. Dungog ha. Listen carefully. What's the best part of your school day? So yeah.
Is the vacant time.
Correct. Ikaw, Jay.
My classmate.
Kasweet siya guys. Like, ako swimming chikay na guys. Vacant June. Mauna.
I guess all of the students agree with that.
Correct. And dili lang kami ang muagree na kay I'm pretty sure 100%ly nga daghang muagree sa amo ang tubag kuro karon. Vacant hours good ang among gusto.
Let's go for Shomai.
Siomay.
Laban. Try now, siomay. Kaya ang buhay, laging pamaypay. Eh. Laban. Bawi.
Parang naglantaw diha.
Pataka mo.
Matakan mo lami kayo. SA Ramar. Unsa to?
Yes, Mar.
Mata na miglangit.
So guys, ibalhin mi kay kwaon jud ming Lord dito guys.
Mawala mi.
Eh.
Gutom si RJ guys. So proceed na sa atong ready na ba mo sa atong ikopat nga question?
Ready na.
Ikaw ready na?
Ready.
Ready na siya guys. So what's your energy kay
Before ta mo proceed og question, pwede mo proceed putas French fries.
Sakto di ay. French fries are last
Tunisia.
kalanon for today.
Guys, kalami oh.
Very yummy.
Shalalala.
Oh la la la. La 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 la. So guys, magdungan mi kaon unya ra na chi. Magdungan mi kaon. The sauce is live. What's the most challenging subject for you?
So for me, the most challenging subject for me is math. Of course, all students will agree that math is a very hard subject. So that's very for me hard. Thank you.
For me is Fondac or fundamentals because it's all about math and computing. Yeah, it's all about computing. And very difficult guys because we know that it is math and most of us hate math but we can't run from math. Everyday life na yung math. Yes.
So, ako, I think, ang challenging subject for me is math Japon. Pariyami guys nga mga hadlukan og math every time makakita mi og amount or even X numbers.
And why?
X and Y Joe guys, we're done eating. So, how's the food?
Very busog.
How's the food, RG?
Very nice and very yummy.
So, atong girating ang each. So, nga atong na till 1 Korean. How's the squid ball for you? Rate it to 1 to 10.
ang squid ball para nako is 8/10 kay circle jud siya.
Full circle yun siya. RJ, squid ball, 1 to 10.
For me, 10 because lamig good siya, my favorite.
Favorite day niya ang squid ball, guys. So I'm not really a big fan of squid ball. Kung ako 6/10. Ay, sa sauce sa data.
Sa sauce?
Sa sauce sa data. 1 to 10. Pila mong ma-rate sa sauce nila?
Lami ang sauce pero mas lami kay gimix ni
RJ! So, pila ko mo?
So, para nako lami siya so 9/10.
9/10 siya. So, imo RJ, how's the, the sauce nila?
10 gihapon siya. 10. Yummy, 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 yummy. Creamy, creamy.
Ako guys, kay pilian jud ko kaayo og kana sauce. So need jud nga ma-meet ang expectation when it comes to mga sauce nila diri. So ako kay maybe 7.5, 6.5. Next is siomai. 1 to 10. Rate it.
Ako favorite jud ako ang siomai so 10/10.
Same me. So ako same sad me. 10/10. Asay lang sauce sa siomai guys. Very good. Very lamig kay spicy. Ikaw Jay.
Yes, 10 siya kay as you all know, magsulat yung kong siomay.
Aya guys, isulat daw niya yeah, sakto. Masulat jud din siya. So french fries, 1 up to 10. Unsa mo ma-rate?
10/10. French fries is my very part of my life na ng French fries na ako. Lami kayo.
So part ito diri G.
Ikaw kanimo ko. Maulaw mas RG.
Oras are you guys?
Ayaw ka ulaw.
Kaulo kay ato ning vlog.
Usa ka maulaw man atag kaon.
Correct. So ato sugo kay siya lang tawon diri guys. Sa ato sa dipadaplin.
Pero hurot na
Puro ta ni guys ha. Human na may kaon. Mong rating na mis mga foods. So ang ako ang ma-rate sa french fries 10 po. Okay, french fries is one of my favorite good nga mapalit especially sa mga street foods. Nadyo na siya, di ko na mawala ang akong order nga french fries. So 10/10, it's very yummy. So Jay,
9 na good ako guys. So, kabalo nga na siyang 9 but I love french fries but 9 na siya.
Oy, French fries!
so, sa tempura, the last food, sa tong maingon, magdungan na lang ta kay para mas ma-exciting gani nga or unsa tong ma-rate. Sige. 1 to 10 ha. 1, 2, 3, go. 7. So,
8, 7,
8, 7, 8, 10. Redaktor siya 9 guys.
So, moto siya 8K lami and taas and mas lami po dyan kay sauce. Yummy.
Ano na guys, lamigod siya kaayo. Correct mong 7 to ako sa?
Oh,
7 ako. So, okay naman siya. Di rin ko fan og tempura. Anong 10 emoji?
Kay taas man siya. May pagchikay na.
Yummy! Yummy guno guys. So
that's all for today's content. Thank you for watching.
thank you for watching. Bye-bye!